No, you do.
Hey everyone, it's Debbie again, and today I'm with Mark.
Yay.
Yay. And he's going to do my makeup, so I'm taking off my glasses and I'm not going to check it until after.
Okay.
Okay. And do you know what foundation?
I think so.
So I thought I'd be extra hard on him and give him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shades of foundation to go from. I think he cheated and watched some of my videos just so he could see the shade.
I'll go with this one, which is Rose Vanilla, to start off with. What do I use? Right, let's go. Let's do this.
Right, what are you
Using your hand, and I'll put it back on.
I wish I could have a camera this side of you. Do you like...
Turn. That will do.
I've literally only had 3 people ever do my makeup.
And then one of them.
Yep. And the other one.
She'd probably do better than me.
She'll be seeing this video. So, what else are you doing?
I don't know, I'm stuck. Is that it?
Is that it? Okay, so that's us done.
Contouring is alright.
Okay, so you're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. You're showing the wrong bit. You're supposed to show the actual stuff.
Did I rack it?
No.
That's not the right brush. Give me a hand, help me.
No.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just go with it. See how it turns out.
Oh, that's dark. A bit too dark. Shit. Oh shit. Purple?
Yeah.
In my face?
Yeah.
The natural shade to take the brightness away.
To take the brightness away. Is this how you contour? You put the brown on and then cover it?
I did the brown wrong, so I'm just trying to fix my mistakes.
Oh, okay. I'm just like,
Oh well.
well.
You wanted me to do this.
I forced him.
Yeah. Right. Now. Exactly. What's this?
Highlighter.
Shit, you're meant to do your eyes first, you know?
I don't know. My boyfriend watches all my videos. Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
What are you using there?
Brush and moonstone.
What?
Moonstone?
Moonstone?
Moonstone, yeah.
He's using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette.
Thank you. So this is just the... What's... What? Shit, I don't know. Expensive stuff. I'll use some expensive stuff. Just because it's expensive. I don't know what it does. But...
It's the MAC. Give me some.
Wrong brush. It's a wrong brush. A lot comes out.
Yeah.
Oh. This side's good, this side's not.
That's not good because this side's of the camera.
Turn around a little. Yeah. Yeah.
And show them your good side.
Yeah.
This is my ugly side.
That's the good side today.
Makeup artist. Mark MUA. In the mix. 226. Stop laughing serious now.
Yeah, just go like that. Yeah. What way?
Really? Joking.
Now we're going to the
eyeshadows.
eyeshadows.
There is a few different ones there if you want to choose between them.
Jesus, no.
All. No?
No, not that.
Why?
Yeah, it's a bit sparkly. Look at me.
That's what you do to your clients. What?
Lightly cool. Isn't this one?
You just hit my eyebrow.
Yeah, because you're like this here.
Why was that?
Why is it cutting up?
Hmm?
Why is there 10?
Because that means
That's it
it's
on.
on. Yeah.
That was a countdown to something happening.
Yeah. Countdown to me looking gorgeous.
Oh,
You need to calm down.
Did it stick my thing?
No.
There we go.
It's like you were trying to get something sticker with it. And then.
These pigments?
Yes.
Where do you want?
Oh!
That's upside down?
Yes.
Why would you put them upside down?
Show the colour. I'm sorry I had to interrupt there, but I did not want that going everywhere.
Oh, shit, right at the bottom of your eyes. Yeah. Just keep your eyes closed all night.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do mascara.
It's even worse than.
It's not.
Do you know how to put mascara on somebody else?
Of course it is. Close your eyes. Holy shit, I'm good.
Proud of yourself now?
Yeah.
You're going for winged liner?
Nope, just making mistakes. Yeah, that's not really. I'm right-handed, so I have to manipulate your hand in that way. Right, ready? Straighten it. No, straight.
This is beautiful.
Sorry. It has to be done, right?
Does it?
Yeah.
Do you think I'd go into somebody's house and put their makeup on like this?
Right.
Can I move my head back now?
Right. I got a wee tip for people doing this. Got it?
Everybody needs tips for winged liner.
Right. Get a brush. And use the brush as a ruler. Oh. Yeah, you look beautiful.
Mark's makeup tips.
That's the result of Mark's tip.
I just can't even see it.
Oh, you're lucky. Right. That's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
So I can look now.
Yeah, you can.
So you're definitely done.
Definitely done. I made a wee mistake. You have to find it when you have to find the mistake.
Right. So you definitely want me to look.
Yeah, I think you should look. There's a small mistake. Small mistake. But hopefully people don't notice it.
What, so you're going to think people are going to think this is nice looking?
Yeah.
Because it's from a distance?
Well,
And do you want me to sound like way back there?
yeah. Be like, hello. I think they will. I think this is because this is the first time.
You done good on the mascara though.
I did.
But I've never used mascara.
That's the difference between me and you. Very good hand. Oh, wait. Not finished. Ready?
Yeah. Go ahead. It's locked.
Ready?
Mhm.
That's you done.
Boom.
That's it.
Done.